try to miss Old Sheldon. It looks like the same guy we saw the other day.
It does.
Well, it's move day again.
Indeed. Indeed, we are moving.
Yeah, we're not moving locations.
No, we're not. Out, you know, moving around a little bit.
Breaking the law.
Breaking the law.
Breaking the law. Breaking the law.
No, we're not breaking the law. We're out for some essentials.
Essential what?
An essential break from the trailer.
We're essentially going to get a ticket because we're going to a church. We're going to Old Sheldon Church, which I guess is going to be down Old Sheldon Church Road.
Yes. It's supposed to be an historic building, so I'm not sure what to see there, but, you know, it's the only thing in the area that we can explore. So we're going to go explore it.
Well, apparently you can come out here and have weddings and family things. Apparently it's still an active cemetery.
Very random cemetery.
It is. There's stuff just kind of scattered. Kind of hard to know where to walk. Mary Bull, wife of John Bull, much beloved and lamented parent. Died September 1771, age 69 years old. Interesting tree. I guess they grow them with rocks here.
What in the heck?
I'm guessing at one point it was probably a fence post or a corner post or something for a building. I don't know, all the way out here. And the tree grew around it.
Or it could be that the tree started splitting open and they're trying to save it, so they filled it with moss or something to give it structure.
That's a theory. I don't think so, but whatever. Ready? That's probably enough. Want to taste it?
Okay.
Sniff it first. Does it smell all right?
This one's okay. Just like well water. It's not bad.
No, it tastes all right.
Yeah.
So when we got here, there was a guy over here working the pump and filling up a jug, a big water jug, and he said this was spring water, and the well was dug and has been here ever since the church had been here, so a couple 100 years. So we got some water, tasted it. Tastes fine. I'd hate to see what the well looks like down in there. But it is what it is.
So that was a really cool stop. I love historic buildings, so I'm glad we got to come.
Yeah, so much for it being a non-popular place. When we pulled in, there was a guy here getting water, and out of a well that had been here since the beginning, I guess.
And the church is about 250 years old, so that well's been there a long time.
Yeah, he said it was the best water you'll ever drink. I don't know that it's the best water I've ever drank.
No, I wouldn't consider it the best water I've ever drank, but it was, it tasted okay. And interestingly, he was filling up one of the big giant water containers, so I got the impression that maybe he comes here on a regular basis to get water. So.
I'm guessing a lot of people do a lot like they do in Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Yeah.
It's kind of a centralized area that you can get free water.
Yeah.
A lot of people believe in the healing properties and the whatever medical properties of spring water.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a cool thing that you can come out and get it.
Very cool.
Grave sites seemed random.
They were a little random. A lot of them were near trees, but not in any, normally what you think of in a cemetery with straight lines and rows and that kind of thing. They were just like, here's one here and here's one over there and here's a cluster there. So it's just, just kind of random. And the church was originally built back in the mid 1700s, so around 1750, probably a little later, but I think I read that their first service was in 1757. Well, the only other thing I can think of doing is driving back to Hardyville and going to the Walmart there to get some wine cooler things.
Part of what we do is, well, she takes pictures. And today she wants to take a picture of a water balloon getting popped.
It's for a high-speed photography challenge. So we'll see how this goes.
One eternity later.